adopt ScandiPWA, I think the result is really impressive. So we can do the first release, include the migration in just only 6 months. Hello everyone, this is Wanat from Ecommerce. I'm glad today that today I have a chance to share you our story, how the Ecommerce has been adopted ScandiPWA as one of the main PWA technology for building the brand store on the Magento platform. So let's start with our story. So we are the e-commerce enabler in the Southeast Asia who are provide the e-commerce end-to-end service to our clients. Building the brand store is one of our service, and Magento and Shopify are the main platform that we are using. It's the e-commerce direction since 2019 that we want to move toward to the headless e-commerce, but not just solely for building brand store with a good customer experience, but also looking at technology that can help us to scale in terms of the reducing the development time and less time and less cost to maintain. So yes, and what is the reason why we select the ScandiPWAs? I believe it's similar to other company that before we adopt a new technology, we need to do the tech selection to define the selection criteria and do the evaluation and selection. And here is the major reason why I decide to select the ScandiPWAs. Yeah, I think first of all, PWAs. Scandi can deliver all the PWA expected function from PWAs. So it can be provided instant load time, lightweight, and mobile app alike. The second one is about less cost to implement with the concept of the separation of front end and back end and communicate via the GraphQL. This can help us to manage the team better in terms of the team knowledge and dependency between front end and back end has been reduced. And also with this concept can help to significantly reduce the development time. And with the ScandiPWA, I think they quite strong in terms of to work well with Magento out of the box and also keep update with the new release feature function on Magento with the new release. And the last two is about open source in the team. Since the framework is open source, so we believe in a large community, and the new release version will be released on the regular basis. And any issue, they're gonna have the community to help to contribute and solve any issue that be emerging. And the last one, when we work with any partners, we quite confident in Scandi because the Scandi is quite a large organization that's present in various countries and have a lot of expertise in these areas. That's the the key reason that why we select ScandiPWAs. And the result, we start onboarding ScandiPWA in the first project that we work with one of our client who is a global brand who have Magento, who was on the Magento 1.9 and want to migrate to 2.4.1. So rather than just migrate them with just the default Magento, we offer them with the ScandiPWA. So the project is starts in the August 2020. So with the result of adopt ScandiPWA, I think the result is really impressive. So we can do the first release, include the migration in just only 6 months. The first phase can be go live in Jan 2021. And at the end result, the actual budget, actual result has been like 20% under the estimate budget. And in terms of overall the customer experience, so it's like can help improve the bounce rate by 45% from the Google Analytics. And response time has been reviewed like 63%. And the payload time also reduced by 61%. So with our client also really happy with the result and the experience on the brand store with the ScandiPWA. So yes, and with the very good result, the second brand store with the ScandiPWA will be launched in August, and more to come in later this year. So yep, that's our story. And if you have any question, you can drop me a note via this email. And thank you for today.